Hello everyone, this is Numan from Regal Tours. So for today's visa, I'll be helping you out with the Mexico visa process. How the visa process goes from start to end. What are the documents requirement? How the process works, and how much time the visa process takes of Mexico. So first and all, for the Mexico visa, you have to help with the passport copy, residence, Emirates ID copy, and a picture. Once you will share us these documents, we'll be sending you a questionnaire in which you have to give us some normal details like your residence visa, like your residential address, for how long you have been living in UAE, your travel history, and so on. Once we have collected all these information along with the document, we'll start with your appointments. Once your appointment will be get confirmed, we'll prepare your document which are needed during the time of the interview. Once we will prepare all the documents and everything, you will have to visit to the UAE, to the Mexico embassy, which is in Abu Dhabi, for the interview. The visa process will totally rely on your interview, how well you are going to perform and everything, and we'll be also helping you out with the questionnaire, like what sort of question during the time of the interview are gonna ask. So we'll be able to help you with all those sort of things as well. So for any information or anything regarding to the visa, you can contact to us. You can reach out to us toll-free number. In the below description, we'll be mentioning our FD details regarding to the visa, and hopefully we'll be able to help you with it. Thank you, sir. Thank you.